Namaskar. Today we are talking about the Rohini Nakshatra born characteristics and futures. Rohini 10 degree to 23.20 degree Taurus. So general characteristics are emphasis on spiritual, liberation, truthful and not continuous, clean in habits, sweet of speech, form of views and good looking. The symbol for Rohini is an ox cart. Animal symbol is a male serpent, spiritual power and wisdom. Ruling planet Moon. Nature is Manusha, that is human, Manav. Preceding deity is Brahma, the creator of universe. So let us talk about the male natives of Rohini Nakshatra. First start with physical features. He is a normally slim physique. However, based on other planetary position and aspects, short structure and fatty persons have also been seen. His eyes are very attractive with a special magnetic touch. Appearance is very beautiful, attractive, big shoulder and well developed muscles. Let us talk about the characters of Rohini Nakshatra male natives. He is short tempered. Once he gets angry, it will not subside so easily and nobody can change his decision. He becomes extremely obstinate if someone attempts to override his opinions or his plans. He remains obvious to any advice or ideas contrary to his own. He has special knack to find faults of others. Wherever as he cannot work with fixed aim, he is ruled by his heart rather than his brain. He becomes extremely obstinate if someone attempts to override his opinions and his plans. He has a special knack to find faults in others. He will not hesitate to cause extreme trouble to the hater. He feels impressed upon his own work. Importance of truth and discard of false, his plus point. His life is full of up and downs as he does not try to pre-plan his objectives. He can attain great success in his life provided a little restraint is kept to the freedom of his mind. There is no tomorrow for him. He spends everything for today's comfort. As far as possible, he tries to be more sincere and honest in all work he undertakes. But he lacks patience and forgiveness. He tries to be jack of all arts and in the process he fails to pass through the path of request rhythm and system. His freedom of mind will often lead him to downfall. It also seems that some Rohini-born persons have risen from the lowest rung of life due to the finest placements of other planets. He may be earned from milk products, sugarcane and as a chemical engineer. He has best adapted for mechanical and laborious work. The period between the 18 years and 36 years will be the most tiresome periods. He will have to face a lot of problems economically, socially, on health grounds. It is often noticed that such people enjoy their life best between at the age of 38 years, 50 years and 65 years and 75 years of age. One of the primary factors to be borne in the mind is that he should never take anybody into confidence. He has to be extra careful in his business partners and employees. There is an inherent drawback in him that blindly believe others. For happy existence, it is suggested that he should screen the persons thoroughly before confidence it is bestowed on such persons. Let us talk about the family lives of male in Rohini Nakshatra. While he cannot enjoy fulfill benefit from his father, he will more attached to his mother, maternal uncle or maternal things. He will not hesitate to throw away any social or religious laws when he is wanted for. Hence his married life will be married with disturbance. Health issues regarding male natives of Rohini Nakshatra. He is prone to diseases connected with blood cancer, jaundice, urinary disorders, blood sugar, tuberculosis, respiratory problems, paralysis and throat trouble. Let us talk about the female natives of Rohini Nakshatra. First we start with physical features. The Rohini Nakshatra female is very beautiful. Her eyes are very attractive. She is a medium height and fair complexion. She will be well behaved, well dressed, she shows a lot of pomp and she shows the same that she has very weak heart. Like the males and females born in Rohini Nakshatra are also short-tempered and invite troubles. She is practical, secretive, and violent when instigated. She possesses inherent aptitude for any work interested to her or done by her. She earned from oil, milk, paddy fields as a dressmaker, middle level education indicated for her. Family life. Let us talk about the family life of female natives of Rohini Nakshatra. Her family life will be good. She will have the comfort of her husband, children in full. She must avoid doubting her own husband, as otherwise marriage may be end in divorce. Health issues. Her health will be generally be good. She will pain in legs and feet, pain in the breast, sometimes breast cancer, irregular menses and sore throat, pimples and swelling above the head. So let us talk about the positive traits of Rohini Nakshatra. Lovely appearance, charismatic, good communicator, listener, attractive, inner strengths, genital manner, comforting, truthful, moral organizations, smooth talker, sharp balanced mind, fixed in purpose, well educated, does well financially, dutiful to the family, responsible, help others, gifted in the arts, healthy. Let us talk about the negative traits of Rohini Nakshatra. Materialistics, take advantage of others through the manipulation and deception. Sexually, we said sexually more sexuals than others. These Rohini Nakshatra people. Critical for others, possessive for individuals or ideology, jealousy, oversensitive, addictive, and indecisive. The career interest for Rohini Nakshatra is politics, authority positions, agriculture, real estate, restaurant and hotel businesses, fashion designers, models, and musicians. Let us talk about the compatibility and incompatibility of Rohini Nakshatra with other nakshatras. Mrigashira Nakshatra, symbolized by the creative source of female snake, is the most compatible nakshatra with regard to Rohini. Uttarashadha Nakshatra, symbolized by the yoni of male mongoose, happens to be the most non-compatible nakshatra with regard to Rohini Nakshatra. Ashwini Bharini Nakshatra, along with their female counterparts in Revati and Sadvisha Nakshatra, are compatible with Rohini Nakshatra. As the nakshatra symbolized by the yoni of snake, it is natural to male and female counterparts of tiger. Apart from its compatibility to the mentioned ones and neutrality to Vishakha and Chitra, Rohini is immaculate and incapable to the remaining birth stars. So this is all about Rohini Nakshatra. Please subscribe for more videos if you want to watch. If you like, so please subscribe the link below. Share this knowledge to all your friends. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. Jai Ganesh.